Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you some jewelry from HelloIce. This is my first time collaborating with them. By the way, this video is sponsored by them. So if you guys are interested in the items that I'll be showing you, check out the description box. I'll have them down below as well as a discount code. And let me just tell you a little bit about HelloIce. They have jewelry that is really exotic and different. That is one of the things that make me want to work with them. Their pieces are so unique that I wanted to share with you guys. And also they do have a lot of watches for men. And sometimes they even have a sale where it's buy one, get a second one free, which is super cool. And the prices are affordable. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me show you guys what I got in this cute little box. And also, like I mentioned, sometimes they do have a sale where it's buy one, get one free. So it is, honestly, it's a great deal. Everything came in this little box, so I'm gonna show you. I have a total of 4 pieces. I'm not sure where to start. But here we have this ring, you guys. I'm gonna do a close-up so that you can see it. When I saw the ring, I thought it was really pretty. It's very dramatic. And then I was on Instagram. I saw this, I think she's like a Filipino celebrity. Her name is Hard Evangelista. She was wearing this ring, literally the same ring. I'm assuming it's Cartier. Super gorgeous, and I saw it on her picture. Actually, I'll throw in a picture right here so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And she looks so gorgeous with it, and I thought, oh my goodness, I have the same ring. Of course, if it's Cartier, which I'm assuming it is, because of the little, the tiger, I'm thinking it's probably like $40,000, $50,000. This right here, you guys, was a fraction of the price. Let me do a close-up for you guys so you can see. Look how dramatic that is. Super nice. It has crystals all around it, you guys. Very dramatic. It's a statement ring, but I'm loving it. Next item that I have is this beautiful bracelet. When I first saw this bracelet, I thought of my son Diego. He has been asking me for a bracelet like this. So I decided to pick this for this video, and I'm actually going to surprise him with it. But now that I have it on, I am loving it. I kind of want it for myself. It is really, really nice. And I like that it can be worn on a daily basis, you know. You can wear something super casual and it will elevate the look. I'm gonna do a close-up so that you guys can see this bracelet. And again, I'll have everything down below in the description box, so if you are interested, be sure to check out down. So here we have it. It's really nice, you guys. The quality is, it's there. It feels heavy, but not too heavy where it's like, oh, this is too heavy. But it feels durable. On the side, it has reinforcement so that it doesn't fall off. I think this is something that men can wear and also women. But again, I wanted to get this for my son, but a part of me wants to keep it. So if I give it to him, I might use it sometime. Up next, I have this beautiful ring that matches the bracelet. I am going to keep this one. I'm not going to give it to my son. It is really nice. It's so comfortable. And the tone of gold is really nice. One thing that I do feel like gold makes anything look more expensive, more fancy, more put together. As for silver jewelry, I think it's more casual in my opinion. Same goes with the hardware of the handbags. Whenever I get a handbag that is silver, I feel like I can wear it with anything. Whenever I get a gold, I feel like I can only use it at night, but not necessarily, but I just feel like it's more dressy. It is simple yet sophisticated, and it looks really nice. And like I said, it's so comfortable. It doesn't feel bulky at all, and I really like it. And I did get mine in a size 7.5, so just for reference. I wanted to pick pieces that I don't typically go for, because you guys know I'm a glam girl. I'm always trying to have a lot of bling bling. Whenever I buy jewelry, that's just my style. I have a few dainty necklaces, but for the most part, I prefer the wow factor. So for this collaboration, I wanted something different because I did see a lot of things that were really unique on their website that made them stand out. But when I saw the pieces, I was like, you know what? I need to share this with my subscribers because I think they will really enjoy it. So yeah, we got 2 rings, 1 bracelet, and lastly, last but not least, I also got a pair of earrings. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of them. They're so pretty, you guys. So pretty. And again, the prices are so affordable. And also, there's a discount code as well as a buy one get one free sometimes on their website. I had to have something sparkly in this video. So here we have these beautiful earrings. I'm gonna do a close-up so that you guys can see how they look. Okay, so here are the earrings. So we have a lock and a key, which is so pretty. They're so dainty. I plan on wearing them on a daily basis. They're so pretty and they sparkle a lot. Here you have them side by side. They're pretty small, but they're so cute. They're lightweight and they feel like they're really good quality. So I'm really excited about them. I'm going to try them on. Also, when I saw them, they kind of gave me Louis Vuitton vibes and also Hermes vibes, maybe because of the lock, which is really pretty. They look very high-end, you guys. And like I said, the quality is there. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I'm going to try them on so that you can see how they look. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Some jewelry, it feels a little too bulky or too thick. This is nice. This is really nice. Even the little crystals, they don't hurt me. They're not rough. So I'm digging it. I'm really happy with the quality of the pieces, you guys. I really am. Even this one right here too, it has crystals, but they don't bother you. Even though this ring is so bulky, it's comfortable, surprisingly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to HelloIce for sending all these goodies. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Everything will be linked down below, so if you're interested in my Cartier dupe, you can check out down below. And also my earrings. Everything is really pretty, and you guys, honestly, this is my favorite. And the earrings. And it all depends on the occasion. I would like to say that this is more like an everyday ring, the bracelet as well, and also the earrings. This ring right here, I would use it more for a date night, for a special occasion, because it's so dramatic and it's so out there, but I'm loving it, you guys. And like I said, everything is so comfortable. The ring, it doesn't bother me at all. Good job, HelloIce. I'm impressed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite piece. And also, before I go, they do send you a little pouch that says HelloIce, so that you can put all your jewelry in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I get a chance to work with HelloIce again so that I can show you guys more goodies from their website. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys. Lightning strikes by my window. Hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days.